It's so disappointing to do everything you can to have a garden, fertilize, compost, etc., and you don't get the results you expected from your plants. I have an idea for you, and I recommend a soil test report. There are no absolutes to GardIN. There are many ways. I offer you some ideas to help get started in your own garden dream. My name is Keenan, and I'm a professional gardener by trade. I want to help you garden step by step, present a variety of farming industries for inspiration, and help you find resources and supplies for your own garden needs. Be it in the soil, container, water, or air, I believe you can grow anywhere. Let's garden. A soil test reveals what's inside your soil nutrient-wise to feed these plants, or not enough of, or deficiencies. It also can tell you what to apply or amend to your soil to grow the best in your garden this season. Last year I applied compost to my garden. This year I took a soil sample. My soil test revealed that I don't need to apply any compost. I just need to apply a nitrogen fertilizer and incorporate it into my ground. I did so. I tilled it in, put down my irrigation drip system, applied weed barrier fabric to my plant beds, and transplanted my crops into my garden. If you would like me to make a video on how to install a drip irrigation system like this to efficiently water your plants, or eliminate weeds in your garden by laying down a weed barrier fabric, please leave your comments. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.